For those who demand more than ordinary, welcome to Motor Forge. The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is unlike anything else on the road today, and whether you love it, hate it, or simply can't stop staring at it, one thing is certain: it refuses to be ignored. With its futuristic stainless steel exoskeleton, razor-sharp lines, and sci-fi inspired design, the Cybertruck looks like it drove straight out of a movie set and into the real world. Measuring over 223 inches in length with a bold stance and massive proportions, this electric pickup commands attention everywhere it goes. Its durable body is designed to resist dents and corrosion, while the signature LED light bar stretching across the front creates an unmistakable identity, especially at night. Step inside, and the futuristic theme continues with a minimalist cabin that feels more spaceship than pickup truck. The dashboard is clean and modern, dominated by a large central touch screen that controls almost every vehicle function. High-quality materials, spacious seating, and impressive legroom make long journeys surprisingly comfortable, while the expansive glass roof adds an airy feel to the interior. Technology is one of Tesla's strongest advantages, and the Cybertruck comes packed with advanced software, over-the-air updates, premium connectivity features, navigation, smartphone integration, voice commands, and Tesla's latest driver assistance systems. Under the skin, the 2026 Cybertruck remains a performance monster. Depending on the variant, buyers can choose dual-motor or tri-motor all-wheel drive configurations, delivering breathtaking acceleration that feels almost absurd for a truck this size. The top models can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, a figure that embarrasses many sports cars. Instant electric torque provides effortless overtaking power, while the adaptive air suspension helps the Cybertruck remain composed on highways and capable on rough terrain. Whether you're towing heavy loads, exploring off-road trails, or simply commuting through city traffic, the driving experience feels uniquely Tesla: quick, smooth, and remarkably refined. One of the biggest advantages is efficiency. Since it's fully electric, there's no fuel bill to worry about, and depending on the configuration, the driving range can exceed 300 miles on a single charge, making it practical for both work and daily use. Safety is another major highlight, with multiple airbags, advanced collision avoidance systems, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a rigid structural design intended to protect occupants in a variety of crash situations. Of course, the Cybertruck isn't perfect. Its unconventional styling may not appeal to everyone, its large dimensions can make parking challenging, and some traditional truck buyers may still prefer the familiarity of conventional pickups. Pricing is expected to remain competitive within the premium electric truck segment, offering strong value considering the technology, performance, and capability on offer. When compared with rivals like the Ford F-150 Lightning, Rivian R1T, and Chevrolet Silverado EV, the Cybertruck stands out through its radical design, software ecosystem, and incredible acceleration. In the end, the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is not just a pickup truck, it's a statement about the future of transportation. It combines innovation, performance, practicality, and unmistakable road presence into one unforgettable package. Whether it becomes your dream truck or your most controversial automotive opinion, it's impossible to ignore its impact. Thanks for watching Motor Forge, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below because the future of driving is just getting started.